This thing is freaking massive. Hey everybody, it's Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. I got a new one for you today. It's a 2026 Jayco Seismic 395. So this is going to be the biggest toy hauler that I have ever seen. This thing is 47 feet 3 inches overall, and you've got a ton of living space. You can fit an entire family plus the extended family in this thing. Got an L-shaped sofa here in your living room, fireplace, smart TV, then you got storage right up top here too. Very nice finishes here with the Jayco with their farmhouse interior. You got this kind of L-shaped, almost U-shaped kitchen here. So you've got your large one-piece sink here, and then you've got the sprayer faucet, the vegetable wash, the cup wash, all that good stuff. There's a ton of storage over here too. So you got all drawers here, all 5-sided drawers. Down below you got more storage. And then under the sink you got storage here too. And then this is a huge space, and you do have some removable shelves, so if you wanted some more storage, pantry space right there, you got it. Even more pantry space. You can fit a ton of stuff in this kitchen. You got your 12-volt refrigerator here with the 2 double-sided doors up top. And then you got your freezer down below that pulls out. So large freezer over here too. Over this way you've got your oven, GE profile oven, good size, and then storage drawer under it for the pots and pans. And then more storage here on the side too, as well as your GE microwave, so good name brand stuff. And more storage over here. High up storage there, and storage here too. And then over here, storage. And then you've got your converter box, so your fuses and outlets right down here. You got power outlet on the little L-shaped peninsula here too. And then you do have your table. This pulls out. So this extends very far out, so you can sit multiple people down at this this dining table. Then you got the buffet top over top with the pop-up chargers and outlets in it. Lots of windows in here too. So really good floor plan for a toy hauler. You got your theater seats right over here. The heat and massage on them. And then, like I mentioned earlier, your L-shaped sofa there. Now let's check out this garage. You've got a 14-foot garage on this thing. So if you're looking to bring some toys with you, this is definitely the unit for you. You got the removable wall here, so you can do a half bath in this one. Then you got a loft over top. So good size loft, extra sleeping, storage cubby right up there. It's going to be for some of your lights, then for your rear awning, and then your bed uplift. And then you do have a queen bed up top, couch down below, so that'll turn into another sleeping space there. And you got 3 seasons doors here. Let's pop this open, these slide open. And then you can walk out onto your ramp door, which also does drop down. And then you do have the rear awning and prep for a backup camera. Coming on the interior again, go up front, and then I can show you master bed and bathroom. Over here on the wall you've got the Coleman Mach AC. I believe this unit does have 3 ACs on it. And this is for your inverter, and then to turn your vent fan in the kitchen right up here, on and off. 200 watt solar panel on the roof. And then over here is going to be your controls for your awning, slides. You've got 3 awnings on here. So 2 on the side, 1 on the back. Lights, exterior lights, security light, and then you can start and stop your generator from right here, as well as your water pump. Coming up the stairs here, here's your master bedroom, king bed in here, with storage under it. So this does lift up, so you get a ton of storage under there. Jayco's finally doing some more east-west beds on their toy hauler layouts. So they got a new facility, so they're able to do some bigger units. That's why this one's 47 feet. Slide out control for your bed slide, and then your other Coleman Mach AC. Over this way, you've got your walk-in closet with motion sense light, and then you do have 2 more chairs that go to your table and chair set down there. You've got outlets in here too, as well as more storage here. Then you do have the washer dryer prep. You've got another window, emergency exit right up here, spot to hang a TV, power outlets, cable output, and then you do have more dresser drawers right here. So good size, both sides, same thing. I don't need to show you both. Coming over this way, got your master bathroom. So really good size shower here. And then you also have linen closet, spot for the toilet paper below, and foot flush toilet there. Let's take a hop inside here. This is pretty spacious. I'm about 6 foot tall, I'm a bigger guy. I feel like I've got plenty of room to take a shower in this unit. If you guys made it this far, drop a like and subscribe. Over at your sink here, 1-piece under-mounted sink. Storage below. And then you have the medicine cabinet right in here too. And then over in your bathroom, you do have your control for your Suburban 60,000 BTU on-demand hot water heater. Another pan through the inside here. Very nice unit. Then we'll come on the outside now. Show you some of the specs on it. So you're sitting at 47 feet 3 inches overall, and this got a dry weight of 16,080 pounds. You will need a good sized truck to haul this unit. And then you got a cargo carrying capacity of 4,320. So that's how much weight you can put into this unit. Got the Mow-Ride flip out steps there. Spray port over this way. Then you do have your large LED power awning, 3 sliders on this guy too. And here you're gonna have some storage. So you got pass-through storage here, decent size, more outlets and cable output here. This way, 30-pound propane bottle. And then up front here, you do have this NPS 600 generator, and this is your inverter technology as well. Hydraulic auto leveling on this unit. Continuing down, spot for batteries. Looks like you do have a remote starter for your generator too, so that is nice to have. Propane generator, actually no, gasoline. Sorry about that. Giving you a good look at the side of it here. There's a nice front cap to it. I can even turn those lights on. So you got the nice lights right on the front of it. Really sharp looking unit. Coming down this way, you got the Dexter tow assist with sway mitigation, anti-lock brakes. Another 30-pound propane bottle over here. And you have your battery quick disconnect, which is that red switch right in there. Over this way, you've got your Nautilus water system. So it's easy to figure out kind of how to use your water system. You got the diagram right on there. Outside shower, and then for your auto leveling system, there's work right there. And you do also have this Nuvo H2O 3-stage water filtration system. Then that silver box is going to be your inverter right there. Tank releases are right in there, and then I can show you where the tank offshoot is. Back your on-demand hot water heater, back your furnace. And then your tank offshoot is right down there. Then there is a release for your low point drain right there too. This panel is back your refrigerator, so easy serviceability to it. Coming down this way. And looks like they're using Hankook tires on this, 7K axles. And you've got another offshoot for your other sewer drainage right there. This is going to be for your fill for your gas tank for your fuel reservoir on board. And then this will be your pump right down there. And power cord plugs right into here. Got the roof ladder to get up to the roof there. And then giving you a look at this rear patio drop down. So this will drop down. It's nice, it's easy, spring lift assisted. So I'm doing this with literally just my hand while I'm talking to you guys here. And it does stay up at an angle. We don't have to worry about this thing falling down on your head. Secondary entrance door into your toy hauler portion with this massive 14-foot garage. This thing is huge. Give you one last look through the interior on it. So yeah, this is the Jayco Seismic 395, redesigned for the 2026 model year. One last pan up the stairs there. Go. Once again, it's been Alex Stop on Yellow RVing. Really appreciate you guys taking some time out of your day to check out this Jayco Seismic with me. Please like, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what I did good, what I did bad, and what else you want to see. Appreciate you. Thanks.